Hello guys, welcome back to unboxmuse with Winnie. We'll talk about something different. This time, Selena Gomez. Well, launched a new video clip. Well, they say it's all shot with the iPhone 11 Pro. We'll talk about this, and then we'll talk about the Huawei Mate X launching date. Let's begin with Selena and a small part of the video clip.
You promised the world and I fell for it. I put you first and you adored it.
I'm tired of seeing Apple saying this was shot with Apple iPhone, latest iPhone, and etc. All any kind of other brands, they do it too, but this time I wanna say the truth and I want to show it to you. So first, yes, one shot at least have been shot with the iPhone. Well, to prove it, I found this behind the scene. Let's watch it together. You can see the phone.
Here we go, and roll playback.
And you can see Selena Gomez from the back. And that's it. That's the only video behind the scene that you can see. But do we see this shot in the video clip? Let's try to find it. So we go to the video clip and we play it. Well, we see the chair. The first shot, we see the chair where she is sitting on during all the video clip. I will scroll. So now I scrolled really fast, but believe me, I have tried to find out this shot that was shot as behind the scene, as they say, from the back of Selena Gomez. I didn't find it. So I'm tired of this. This shot is not even in the video clip. What's for? Don't know. Don't tell me it's a different video clip, because it's not. So, come on guys. Like, if you want to put a behind the scene, do it. Really seriously. Now the second things that I want to say, why black and white? You're doing an amazing product, iPhone 11. I have done a video. It's an amazing lenses, cameras, they are so crazy, and you have the wide shot. Why Selena Gomez, which is like the top celebrities in singing, she's doing like a video clip so cheap, black and white, and dolly in, dolly out. What? You have a wide lens, use it. Outdoor, you have amazing DOPs, you have amazing crew, amazing, like this dolly is like amazing, you can use it. So why not? You don't have time? Well, don't do it. If you want to do it, use the potential of the iPhone 11 Pro especially. So I don't believe this was shot with the iPhone. What do you think? Please just comment down in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed, I think you should do it. And the next step is the editing, like dissolving. Like we're in 2019, they have like Maroon 5 did this amazing circling around him with an amazing transition. She can do it with the phone. Wide lens, she can totally do it with this iPhone 11 Pro. So why not? And the editing, like it's hiding maybe out of focus or something. So to say it and finish, this was not shot with the iPhone 11 Pro. If you have any proof of this, just throw it on me in the comment section down below, and I will link for you the video clip in the description. Let's move on to something more serious and more professional, which is the Huawei Mate X. So the Huawei is officially gonna be launched November 15th, 2019. So I will say really fast what it is about. This Huawei Mate X, which you have an 8-inch display with a 40 megapixel camera, 8GB RAM with the latest high silicon Kirin 980 and an amazing 2 batteries of a total 4500 mAh. And again, there is a 40 megapixel camera wide, 8 megapixel telephoto and 16 megapixel ultra wide. They're using the Leica optics. Leica photography is amazing. And of course the latest Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi and etc. Fingerprint side mounted, not on the screen, of course. And an amazing price of about 2,150 euros. So when the X is gonna be on sale on November 15th, what it's gonna cost you around $2,400. Well, at that price you will get it for 512 storage and 8GB RAM, which is amazing. Thank you guys for watching this different video about Selena Gomez fake video clip. It's not shot with the iPhone 11 Pro. I prove it to you, and if you have another proof that it was shot with the 11 Pro, just comment down below. Send me links or anything. And then the Huawei Mate X is gonna be launched in November 15th. I hope you enjoyed this video, but before I end it, I will switch to this camera right here. Right, hello guys, and show you that this episode was shot actually with this phone. I'll let you see in close-up. As you can see here, this is the phone. I have shot this episode just for you with this phone. See, everything is possible, right, Selena Gomez? Alright guys, see you on the new video. Peace.